This is the Traxxas 4x4 Sport. It is a crawler vehicle. So the last video I made driving out my backyard here, I was driving the low-C Monster LMT, the son of a grave digger or son of a digger, whatever you want to call it. And a lot of people watched that and then said, hey, why didn't you just use a crawler? So in the RC hobby, you have like cars that go super fast, you know, like race cars, then you have monster trucks, then you have dune buggies. There's a whole series of different vehicles you can get. One of the categories is crawlers. Crawlers are not made for speed. Most crawlers, you can probably run faster than they go. I think this one goes faster than I can run, but they're really made for, they have so much torque. Like if you want to climb straight up or something, they will keep spinning the motor at a slow speed. So you have lots of torque. It's like driving your 4x4 in low gear, so you can go through water, up over rocks, hills, things like that. So someone said, hey, why don't you use a crawler and try it out here? So I'm going to do that now, and I have a GoPro on it. Take a pile of footage, run it through my course, and you'll see how it looks. Here we go. All right, so power on the remote, and we have to take off the body and turn it on. Power button down here. Now this Traxxas 4x4 Sport's been out for, I don't know, I think about a year or maybe a little longer. I'm not really sure. It's very popular for the crawlers. The only upgrade I've done to it is basically I put a light kit in it. There's headlights, there's tail lights, and I changed the tires to a little bit more monster, really soft, aggressive tires. So we'll see how it works in the snow. It's very easy to drive because it's a crawler, so you can drive very slow. You can't do that with race vehicles. See how nice and slow I can drive going forward? Very nice. You just crawl along. Do you see why they're called crawlers? And they have awesome suspension to go over anything. All right, here we go. All right, so this baby did quite well, actually, you know, for a crawler. It's really good. Actually, I think this is one of the highest rated crawlers for the price that you can get on the market. There's a lot of crawlers out there, but I think this is one of the top rated ones. At least that's why I bought it quite a while ago. And I don't use it that much because I'm not really a crawler guy, but when I'm, you know, relaxed out someplace and I just want to drive around some terrain that's not flat, crawlers are a lot of fun. And out here in the snow, it did really well, except they do make tracks for this thing. You can get tracks like tank tracks and take the wheels off and put tank tracks, and it goes in the snow a lot better. I might have to get those in the future and try it out. These here tires that I put on, they're super soft rubber, but you know what? In the cold out here, it's minus 15 degrees Celsius. They're getting a little, they're not hard, but they're not as soft as in the summer. On a hot day in the summer, they're super soft and super sticky. They can stick to rocks and just crawl up the rocks, no problem. So that's basically what a crawler's for. If you're at the beach in sand, if you're in mud, if you're going over rocks, if you want to drive through water, crawler's perfect. It's got the torque, everything. So I'm going to put links below. You know, this is a drone channel, but I have to tell you, I fly every drone pretty much in the world in the consumer market. And on days I'm not flying drones, I'm always doing RC cars. So I love RC cars, and I have quite a few of them. So this is pretty much the only crawler I have, and I really like it. So I'm going to put links below and you can check it out. See if you want to be a drone RC crawler truck guy. This one here is probably one of the top ones, as I mentioned, but for being one of the top ones, it's not super expensive compared to some of the other ones. So you get an awful lot for your money. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in future reviews with more drones and other technology to do with drones. And every now and then I'll toss in RC cars because it's winter time and this is what I like doing. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Bye.